Are you looking to get more views and subscribers on YouTube this year and turn those subs and views into actual income? In this video, I'm going to share with you my #1 strategy for growing a following on YouTube that's allowed me to be a full-time traveling content creator. This one tool is responsible for taking my channel from 0 to 30,000 subscribers in just over a year and creating a residual income of more than $30,000 in that time, all while I was maintaining a normal 9-to-5 job and YouTube was just a side hustle. So hey, if you're interested in upping your influence on YouTube to the next level, then stick around because I'm going to share with you my shortcut coming up. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks so much for stopping by the channel today. My name's Timothy, and on this channel I focus on tech tools and tutorials to help you create the best content that you can for your YouTube channels and your productions, and even videos like this one where I teach you how to take the content that you're already producing and deliver it to an audience that's ready to view it. So if you're new to the channel, be sure and hit that subscribe button down below. And hey, anytime during this video, be sure and check out those links that I've put in the description box down below the video because I've got some free content that's really going to add value to you as a content creator on YouTube. So maybe you started on YouTube very similarly to how I did, and that was not to actually make income, but just as a way to learn and as a hobby for myself. So my short version of how I started YouTube was basically that I needed to be a video producer for the nonprofit that I was working for. We saw how much online video was really helping us get the word out for the nonprofit, and so we wanted to continue that. But outside of some photography skills that I knew from freelance work before, I really had no idea what I was doing with video. So I jumped on YouTube and just started consuming as much content that I could around video production and what to do and how to make video. But then I realized that editing was such a huge part of that, and for me, in order to learn something, I just need to jump in and do it. So I decided to start this YouTube channel that would allow me to have a goal that I could set, just to record a video, get in there and edit it and release it every week. And that really pushed me to get into the editing software, to get better, to try it, to learn, and just do the best that I could. So that was just over a year and a half ago, and I had no subscribers on the channel. I just started to make videos and I didn't really know what to make them about, but I had this new drone called the Mavic Pro, and it had just come out, and I didn't even know this, but I was one of the first people to get it, and the instructions were really bad with the drone. So I decided to go through every little thing on it and just make a tutorial on how to fly it. And it really started taking off because I was providing value to people. And I knew very quickly that getting these views meant that I had some traction and momentum building on YouTube, and I needed to figure out a way to make it work in my favor. I had no idea at that time that YouTube and this platform that I was creating on could actually present itself as a real source of income for me and my family. So maybe you're like me and you have a channel that you're not really quite sure how to grow. Maybe no matter what you do, you can't get past those first 100 subscribers or those first 1,000 subscribers. Or maybe every video you release, it just can't get over 100 views or 1,000 views, and you know that you're putting out great content, but it's not getting to the audience that you want it to. So let me tell you this. The very best way to get more views and more subscribers on YouTube is to be discoverable, to have your content to be searchable. What I mean by that is that when somebody types in something on YouTube that's in your niche, you want to be one of the first videos that pop up. This often has to do with keyword ranking, and the way that I'm implementing on my channel really works, guys. If you search on YouTube for certain words and phrases, you're going to be able to find my channel at the top of the list, above channels 10 times my size with way more views than I am, and yet I'm still ranking above them. Let's take a look at YouTube real quick. If we open up a brand new incognito Chrome window here and go to youtube.com, you'll see we aren't logged into my account, so there's no way that I've, set this up to work in my favor. Let's go to the search bar and type in Mavic Pro tutorial. Now that's the phrase that I've wanted to rank for. And you'll see as soon as we hit search that my video is first on the list. That's just behind an ad post. So somebody paid to get that video that's in front of me, but I'm first on the list. I rank higher than a video with over 2 million views, and I even ranked over the actual DJI tutorial channel from the company themselves. And yet they still won't send me a free drone. I don't know what's up with that. But anyway, it's not just that video, but let's scroll through these search results. As you can see, my videos are all over the place in these top results. These videos I made was when I first started over a year ago, and they still continue to get views, draw in new subscribers, and create residual income for me. And chances are you probably found me on YouTube because of one of my Mavic videos. So to this day, these videos are still ranked as #1 and in the top list of search results for Mavic Pro tutorials. They're bringing in new views and new subscribers every single day. They're earning me money, and I haven't done a single thing with them in over a year. Making sure that your videos are searchable and that you as a channel are discoverable is a huge deal. You want to be the channel that ranks first when somebody looks for a particular thing in your niche. And I'm here to tell you that you don't have to have a massive channel or millions of views to be able to hit those top results. It's all down to keyword ranking and getting your video to rank higher in search results. YouTube is the second largest search engine on the internet, just behind Google, right? So when you are actually ranking your videos in YouTube, you're ranking across the entire internet. And that means you're discoverable to people all over the world. But keyword ranking aside, how do you get those views and subscribers to turn into actual income for you? My answer to that is affiliate income. And maybe you've heard it before, or maybe this is the first time you've heard it, but when you're watching a video and someone is talking about a product or a service and they say, hey, check out the link in the description below, chances are that those are affiliate links. You've seen it right here on the channel a lot of times, and even in this video, you'll find Amazon links in the description below to the gear that I use, to the products that I'm talking about in my videos. And because I'm signed up with Amazon Affiliate, I am able to get a small percent of commission off of any sale that happens on Amazon that day from the person that clicked on my link. So for example, someone might click on a link to see, hey, check out this new light that I have talked about on the channel, but they don't actually end up buying that light. They end up buying toilet paper or paper towels or something. Well, I still get a small commission off of their purchase on Amazon. Their price didn't go up at all. Amazon just gives me a small cut of what they've made. Now it is very small, so you have to actually diversify income. But the idea that you get all of your income just from ads is completely false. Ads is probably the thing that makes me the least amount of money on my channel. For example, on average, I make about $1 or $2 for every 1,000 views that I get on YouTube. Now, that doesn't add up very quickly because I'm not a huge channel and I'm not getting millions of views per video. You know, I'm ranking somewhere around 10,000 or that range for average video views on my channel. So that doesn't mean I'm raking in enough money to pay the bills just from ads. You really have to diversify your income, and affiliate marketing is a great way to do that. Recently, I was featured in a YouTube masterclass by Sean Cannell, and he looked at my channel and showed how I use affiliate marketing with DJI in order to bring in revenue. And I wanted to show you just a really quick clip of that video. Take a look.
So a power tip is there's an affiliate program for pretty much everything. Like, just check. You can just Google it. Like, Google the brand you love and type in affiliate or associate or ambassador program. And so this is Timothy, and he's got a tech channel. He's got a lot of videos on drones. And so again, he's building his influence. He's got good subscribers, good views, but his channel's not huge. So you might think, well, man, if he doesn't have a huge channel, he can't be making big money. Well, aha, well, let's check it out. And so with affiliate marketing, this seems insane to me, but check this out. This is his DJI affiliate program. $15,000, you know? Now I have to say, again, like, results are not typical, but this is real, right? Like, think about that. And that's just one program. So Timothy is doing Amazon. He's doing other affiliate programs, but that's some serious coin, right? From affiliate marketing that, again, not based on YouTube views. You got to get views if you ultimately are going to do it, but not because of YouTube ads.
So there you have it, guys. YouTube is where it's at, and there is nothing stopping you from succeeding on this platform if you have the right strategy in front of you and you put in the work. And this is where I want to actually provide some value for you guys. Now, a lot of times these videos end with a selling of something, and this is not where this is heading, so just stick with me for a minute. I'm actually going to provide you some incredible resources that can help you up your YouTube game. As I've said in videos before, guys, I want to maintain a 100% transparency with you guys, my YouTube audience. So I'm never going to bring a product or something in front of you that I don't personally believe in and use. So let's give credit to where credit is due. And my number one key to success on YouTube has been Sean Cannell and his team. He has an incredible YouTube channel over at Think Media TV, and he creates all kinds of content. He's also a tech guy, so he does a lot about cameras and stuff, but his main focus is marketing and media and how to really get you in front of the audience that you're trying to. These guys have been incredible to work with, and Sean is such an amazing teacher who provides so much value to his audience. And listen, it's not about just theories. His team actually implements the strategies that he's using, and in his combined YouTube channels alone, he has over 1 million subscribers. So his team's not just pitching ideas that may or may not work. His team has put in the work, and they know what the YouTube algorithm is favoring at certain times and how to best leverage the tools that YouTube gives us in order to make sure our content is being delivered consistently to our audiences. So I've teamed up with Sean Cannell and his team to offer you guys some really cool things today. First of all, I have a free PDF download for you guys that contains 17 tips and strategies to improve your momentum on YouTube. I'm talking real things like optimizing your titles and your thumbnails and your descriptions, and how to get keyword ranking and ranking strategies, and how to leverage YouTube comments to help grow your channel. All of that and more is included in this PDF download. And you can take these 17 tips and start right now implementing them on your YouTube channel, and you're gonna see results. Also, remember that little clip I showed you a few minutes ago from the YouTube Master Course? That was actually a live event that you had to register for, but I've talked with Sean and his team, and they have created a replay of that 1.5-hour training, and they've posted it online, and they're giving access to you guys for free. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Now, it is a limited time replay, so you need to go ahead and watch that as soon as you can, but it's 1.5 hours of Sean digging in to how to do keyword ranking, how to do all of these techniques that I've been talking about. It's 100% free, and you guys can watch that if you just follow the link in the description below. So all you guys have to do is click on that first link in the description below, and you're going to get the PDF of the 17 tips for YouTube. I'm going to email that to you, and you're going to get a link to view that limited time replay of the YouTube Masterclass. That's 1.5 hour training, and I'm going to send that right to you. Or hey, maybe you're just saying, man, I'm ready to jump into training right now. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below that you can check out all of the courses that Sean and his team offer, not just on video ranking, but how to grow your business and influence through online video this year. They have all kinds of different tips and strategies, how to 10x your YouTube channel, all kinds of courses, and I'm going to link those in the description if you want to just dive right in and jump into what they have to offer. And I know, guys, from experience that if you use their strategies and you put in the work, you're going to gain so much value from it, and it's going to provide huge growth for your YouTube channel and your online presence right now. So that's going to bring me to question of the day. Let me know in the comments down below. I'd really love to hear from you. Guys, I respond to every single comment. So let me know, what stage of the journey are you in with YouTube? Is it your side hustle that you're working on after classes or after you put the kids to bed? Is it a dream that you really want to start one day and see it come to life? Is it a hobby that you have? Or is it something that you've been thinking of starting for a long time, but you just haven't taken that first step yet? Let me know where you are in your YouTube journey in the comments below. So guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget to click those links in the description below below to get access to all of those free resources. Huge shout out to Sean Cannell and his team over at Video Ranking Academy for providing so much value to me and my channel, and for helping this community continue to grow on YouTube. And hey, if you want to watch another video that I've made here on YouTube, you can click or tap the screen right here. Be sure you are subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on. Guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.